If you know you don't have a capital to start trading and you want to know and you want to make money online in 2025, this video is definitely for you. I will adjure you to wait patiently and watch this video to the end, and also it's advisable for you not to forward this video so you don't miss out on the details that I'll be giving you on how you can make money online in 2025. Before I proceed, showing on the screen is my Telegram channel, and this is where I drop updates, I drop informations, I drop videos on how you can get Forex no deposit bonus, free profit account, free funded account, and also how you can make money online in 2025. And trust me, as you can see on this channel, these are the details and the updates I've been dropping. And when I tell you that I drop videos on this channel, I drop them even before bringing them on YouTube. As you can see, this is my Telegram community, and they are usually the first set of people to know that I have a video ready for them. So if you know you want to join this Telegram community, it will be on the description of this video. Make sure you click on it, then you click on join to join this Telegram community so you don't miss out. Right. And also, as you can see showing here, I opened a discussion group. Here you can join the discussion group. Discussion group is for, as it said, discussion and questions. This is where I take questions, this is where I take answers concerning the videos that I've dropped, as you can see showing on the screen. So people are here all together, they communicate, they discuss on the videos, they talk about the videos and the withdrawals that they've made, as you can see showing on the screen, on this discussion group. Because I no longer take questions in my DM again. So if you have any questions concerning Forex no deposit bonus, concerning the videos I've dropped, you have to join the discussion group so you can even learn from others. This discussion group are for people who want to make money online in 2025. And also, the videos that I've been dropping, people have been making withdrawals on this platform. As you can see, we have lots of withdrawal proof on the videos that we have been dropping, and people are earning a lot from the video. And I also believe that you can do so as well. That's why when I drop videos, I want you to watch the video, take the step by step. You don't have to make any deposit of your own. All you have to do is just watch the video to the end and know how you can claim your own capital as well, and you can start trading. And trust me, you get a withdrawal, you will get money from it. As you can see, people withdraw from this platform, from the videos that I've dropped, and any of the video can be of your own. Any of the videos that I drop can be your own time to make money as well. So just keep on with the videos, keep on with the trading, and you'll be able to withdraw money, as you can see showing on this platform. So please do well to join the Telegram community so you don't miss out on the details and information. Now, to get the link to the platform, because in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus. I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading without having to make any deposit of your own. You don't have to make payments for you to get this $50. It is for free. Emphasis on free. It is for free. All you have to do is just open an account with this certain broker, and you'll be able to get your $50 an account that you can use to start trading with, and you'll be able to make withdrawals from it. So for you to get the link, all you have to do is just, once you get to this channel, of course, don't forget, click on join. Then after clicking on join, you'll meet a link like this. All you have to do is just click on the link, and it will bring you directly to the interface showing on the screen. As showing on the screen, this is the broker that will be giving us the $100,000. As you can see, here is the details concerning the account. All you have to do here is just pass the free internship, get funded, and earn as you trade. Showing on the screen, as you can see here, the basic internship rules and qualification. They will give you $100 to trade, and the duration for your trade will be 4 weeks. Then you have unlimited attempts. Once you lose, you can always get it again, start over again, and continue trading. And your leverage is 1:1. Then the performance concerning this account is your profit target should be $1,000. Your weekly profit target should be $250. Then your weekly drawdown limits should not be more than $1,000. So once you are able to take this performance past the internship, you'll be able to withdraw on this platform. As you can see, it's a free entry to this internship, and you'll be able to get $100,000 to trade. So now I'll be showing you how you can get this particular account. So now, to get this account, the first thing you need to do is to download this app on Google Play Store, as you can see. And if you are using iPhone, you can get it on your Apple Store. So now let's go ahead and download this app. You click on it, go to Google Pay, and this is the app showing right on the screen. So all you have to do is just install this app, install it. So while we are installing the app, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment, and most importantly, you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on the details and updates that I'll be giving you concerning the Forex and deposit bonus, free funded account, firms, how you can make money online in 2025. And also make sure you join my Telegram channel so you don't miss out on details, because I drop videos there even before bringing them on YouTube. So now, as you can see, the app is already installing. So make sure you are able to download this particular app, because that's where we'll be getting the account. And as you can see now, I've installed it completely. So now I'll be clicking on open to go ahead and get the account. So this is what the interface looks like. As you can see, it loading. So the next thing we want to do, of course, is to register an account with them so we can get the account. So the next thing is click on register right here, putting in your email. That's what you'll be doing. Put your email so we can get started. Then you'll be adding your email. Click on continue. Then you are asked to set up a password. So here you'll be creating a password. So this is me after putting my password. You click on continue. Click on continue. Then you just have to wait patiently for it to load. Then after that, you are asked to check your email for code. So we'll be going to the email now to get the code they are sent to us. As you can see showing on the screen, this is the email. This is the message I got from the Fundix. This is the account. So all you have to do is just copy here. Then you'll be going back to paste the code. All you have to do is just paste in. Then you click on submit. Then as you can see, enter in. All you have to do is enter. If you don't have an invite code, all you have to do is just click on skip. Then you want to set a PIN code. And after that, as you can see, account created. So complete verification to unlock all features on this app. So you have to click on complete verification right here. As you can see, you can enable your biometric on this platform. So am I resident? You click on any of this that is for you, that applies to your own details. Click on continue. Then after that, all you have to do is just put in your verification code and your identity. Then you click on continue. Put in your email right here. Click on continue. Then after that, create my account. You consent. Then we'll go back again to get the email that we've gotten from this account. So this is the code I received from them. So you'll be copying the code, copy it, then you'll be going back here to paste the code right here. And as you can see, account successfully created. So put in your country, put in either if it's your ID passport you want to use. So as you can see, the system is reviewing your document and it will take about 2 minutes. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes. Then the verification is under process. So now let's go back to the site and explore the other details concerning this account. And as you can see, it didn't take long. It was not more than 2 minutes before, and as you can see, before I got verified, as you can see, your ID verification is complete. then the account is ready for action. So the next thing you want to do is now is to get started right now. You can enable this if you want to. So showing on the screen, this is the next thing we are going to do, as you can see shown on the screen. So we are going to click on start internship. Click on start internship. The internship starts now and ends August 29. So as you can see, we need to be fast to get this account. So these are the details concerning the account. As you can see here, we already have the account. So the thing you want to do now is just to place in your order here. You can pick any of the pairs that you want to trade with. Pick any of the pairs. You can pick any of the pairs that you want to trade with. And as you can see here, this is the details concerning the order. So you can decide to buy on this account right here, and here you can choose any of the amount. And if you want to change your order to a pen, if you want to change your order, that's if you want to click on buy limit, you can put in your order amount that you want to put here and put in the price that is required. Then you can start placing order. You can go ahead and use the market order, put in the amount you want to use and click on buy now. Then this to show that, see, position open successfully. Then all you have to do is just go back to, so as you can see shown on the screen, this is the trade. Then you can just go ahead and place your order. You can either choose to buy or sell anyone. Then you can place in your order and start trading on this platform. And as you can see here, I've started my own trading, and as you can see, it's already going and I'm already making a profit, as you can see. So you can just start yours as well. So if you have any questions concerning this, make sure you drop it in the comment section and I'll do well to reply you. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also share to your friends to be a benefit to everybody. Have a good day.